Hi everyone, Uplands Car Radios here. You join me in this 2014 Toyota Yaris. We've just finished fitting this KENWOOD DMX6523DABS. This model has wired and wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto, meaning the customer can now stay up to date on the roads using the latest navigation, using things like Siri and much more. Just come out of here. This radio also has digital radio on it as well. Just show you some of the channels we've put on for the customer already. This car previously didn't have digital radio and now it does. Come out of there. This radio also has wireless mirroring for Androids, FM, AM radio as well, Bluetooth audio for phones that are not compatible with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, a USB input, which we've kept the OEM one working in the glove box on this car. We've also kept the steering wheel controls working as well, and we've also kept the original parking camera working too. This model comes with a 3-year extended warranty if installed by a pro install dealer such as ourselves. If this is something you're interested in for your vehicle, please get in touch.